Hello, I am John Delsing, and this is my Driver 1 presentation. My UCID number is 30116858. So I'm using RA 0, 1, 4, and 5 as my inputs. And as my outputs, I'm using RB 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 12, and 13. This is where I initialize all of those. And then I've got my while loop and then some if statements for each condition. So I've set them all as lows to begin. So I will build that. And then I will run. Perfect. I'll pause. And my stimulus open. Make sure these are all fired to 0, and then I will run through again. So in the side there, you can see that all my inputs are now set to 0. They weren't set to 0 at first because I was testing it before. But now that it's set to 0, 0, 0, 0, it will run through and set all of my outputs also to 0. So now I'll go 0, 0, 0, 1 and set RB5 to high, and I'll fire that. So you can see it changes over there. And then when it runs through, it should change to 3, as that is my first number in my UCID, and it does. So it sets out 3 lights. Next is 0, 0, 1, 0. So I'll go high and then low, fire both of those, and move through the code again. And after running through, it should set all of my outputs to 0 because that is the second number. All right, next one is 0, 0, 1, 1. Fire all those off and run through the code again. So you can see the inputs are 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, sorry. And when I run through my code, it should set the outputs to only light up 1, and it does. And I'll just get through this, go back to the beginning. And then we've got 0, 1, 0, 0. Fire those. And when I run through this, it should stay as 1 and go through there. And it does. For my 5th number, it should be a 6, and that will be 0, 1, 0, 1. Fire that through. So it goes through, finds my else, and it turns on 6 of my outputs. Sorry, I went through it one more time by accident. So the next one will be 0, 1, 1, 0. And when I run through my code, it should change my output LEDs to turn on 8, and it does. Then we've got 0, 1, 1, 1. Should be a 5 next. And as it goes through, it's turning off 3, so we've got 5 left lit up. Went through it again, sorry. Next is 1, 0, 0, 0. Fire all of those off, and this should be an 8, which is the last number in my UCID. So it goes through and turns on those 3 lights again, so we're left with we're left with 8 of those on. And then next we'll have just the rest of them, which should all be zeros. So when I change it back to 1001 and run through my code, it turns off all those LEDs, and it will be the same for 1010. So it stays 1011. Also leaves all of my outputs as 0 when I run through. 0100, or sorry, 1100. Fire those all off. Go through my code, and they all stay as 0. 1101 now. Run through it again. It stays at 0. 1110. No outputs turn on. And the last one, 1111. Stays at 0. So that's my code. It works. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.